What's happening, everybody? This is Billy here from Billy's Smokehouse. Today I'm at Tops Food Hall. We are going over the Discover USA, the American Flavor Fest. Let's head on inside and do a little bit of shopping and see what they got for us. So what we have here, guys, is the Cosmic Crisp apple from Washington State. It is a crispy, juicy, really good apple. And the nice thing about this apple is it does not brown easily. It stays a lot whiter and juicier for a lot longer. Good, crispy apple. So the next thing we have here is a Fiscalini Old World Aged Cheddar Cheese from California. You know, cheese from California is gonna be the bomb. So I'm gonna talk about two exclusive products that are only at Tops Supermarket. One is this Prairie Farms cream cheese, and the other one is a Dinner Bell mild cheddar cheese. The nice thing about this is when you mix these together, you can make a really nice nacho cheese sauce. So for that perfect nacho cheese sauce, this is what you need. Next time we have here, guys, is Pine River Port Wine Aged Cheddar Cheese Spread from Wisconsin. It's a great cheese spread. Wisconsin, baby, you know it's the bomb. Next up, we have this USDA Prime. Prime being the best caliber, it means the marbling is gonna be really beautiful, and it's a piece of chuck. The chuck piece here is gonna be great to grill it. Next, we got the sirloin. This is a nice, good piece of meat. Again, give it a little bit of a fry in a skillet, sear it really well on each side, slice it, just eat it plain. This is gonna be good just on its own. The king of the cuts, the ribeye. We got the USDA Prime ribeye. Look at that marbling. It is gorgeous. Remember, oil your meat, don't oil your grill. So now that you got your meal on, you got your steaks and stuff, you're gonna need some sides. These Aeon baked beans actually are reduced sugar, high fiber, really good for you. The other thing is gonna be the McGarrett mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes, baked beans, perfect side dishes to go with every meal. What we got here, guys, are two healthy products, yeah? Sunsweet prunes and Lego raisins, both naturally sweet. Super good source of fiber, good, healthy, nice snack throughout the day. If you're not looking to cook, you just wanna open a bag open and get a quick snack on. This is the Ugly Pea. And for all my celiac peoples out there, it is gluten-free. Yummy, healthy, delicious, easy, easy, easy. Got some Ocean Spray cranberry juice. We know that cranberry juice, A, is super healthy for you, really good for your bladder, good for your kidneys, but also tastes really delicious. So we're here at Tops Food Hall again for the Discover USA, the American Flavor Fest. Again, Tops Food Hall and Tops Supermarkets from January 21st to February 3rd, only here at Tops.